Do you want to enjoy your favorite artworks and artists on the big screen? If so, you've come to the right place. Imagine transforming your living room into a personal art gallery with a few clicks in the YouTube app. Whether you're using a Samsung, LG, Sony, or any other smart TV, you can easily find the YouTube app on your TV's App Store or main menu. And for those of you with a Chromecast or similar device, you can even cast YouTube directly from your mobile phone to your TV screen. With a few simple steps, you can turn your TV into a canvas, showcasing the finest art from around the world. Now that you're in the YouTube app, it's time to find Art TV 4K. Use the YouTube search with your remote control or phone. Once you've spotted Art TV 4K's channel amongst the search results, go ahead and click on it. This takes you to the channel's page and start watching your favorite art. The rhythm of your viewing experience can be changed by adjusting the playback speed. These videos are designed in ultra-high definition 4K with enhanced textures, making the artwork spring to life on your screen. Select the highest playback quality to experience the pinnacle of visual delight. Remember to adjust color and brightness settings on your TV. By fine-tuning these, you can make the artworks blend flawlessly with your screen. Lower the brightness slightly to give the paintings a more authentic, canvas-like appearance. Now you are all prepared to plunge into the world of art. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.